Now I'm going to show you how to do the grammar weekly. All your grammar lessons will be on this page. Down here I'll remind you when it's due. It's always due Friday. Sometimes I might have it due that day. But you can find all your assignments right there. So you're going to click on the assignment page and up will pop the assignments. There's the spelling that we did just in the last video. This is actually supposed to go in spelling, the proofreading. I have it underneath grammar this week. But if I click on the proofreading spelling, up pops the PDF, which is right here. And if you click on that PDF, it's just like the worksheet, and you can't write on it, but you can list on a piece of paper what number 1 through 10 is, so that then when you click off of it, you come up here to hit submit assignment, and when you click on submit assignment, you get this text box over here, and I'll scroll up so you can see it. And this is where you'll list your spelling words that were misspelled. There's 1, and you just type it out, then write 2, type it out, 3, type it out, and when you're all done, you hit submit, and it will go to me, and I'll be able to grade it, and it will go in your PowerSchool. That's how you do that section. Now when I want to go back to my assignments, I can hit the back button, and up pops the whole assignment page. And here it goes. My computer's a little slow. There must be a lot of people on it. The next lesson is indefinite pronouns. Now I want you to take a look at this column that's right here. If it looks like there's a paper and pencil, that just means it's a normal assignment that you have to type something in. That I've given you something, you usually have to go up to the corner up here and hit submit, and it'll pop up. If it has this little airplane rocket ship, it means it's a quiz. That means you can only do it once. It means I'm trying to find out if you understand the content. Do not do the quizzes until after you do the lesson in front of it. So you can see I have a quiz here on indefinite pronouns. The lesson is right here. So you want to make sure you do the lesson first before you do the quiz. The quiz automatically enters into PowerSchool and gives you a score, whether you understand indefinite pronouns or not. This week we have 2 topics. We have indefinite pronouns and we have possessive. Oops, see, I hit quiz, so now you're going to take the quiz. There is no time limit, but I can't redo it after I send it in, so don't take it until you absolutely are sure you know the content. I'll show you how you get to the content. So let's say I'm going to do indefinite pronouns. I'm going to click on my indefinite pronouns, and that comes up. It says watch a short video here. I think this one is Khan Academy, if I remember correctly. Yep, there is Khan Academy, so it's popping up. You watch the video. The video is going to pop up right here. Indefinite pronouns. You can watch it as many times as you want till you understand it. There's even some practice over here. So if you click on this one, the practice, it will pop up. The practice pops up, and you can answer practice questions. Like they have the questions, and you can answer whether it's A, B, or C. I'm just going to guess, or I'm going to go there, and then I'm going to check, and it's going to say, oh no, I did it wrong. Well, then it must be A, right? Both of them. And I'm going to check, and yay, it will turn green, so I am correct. Okay? That's just practice. That one is not graded. So when you go back, what I'm interested in is the lesson here on the honor system. Hit the submit button in the text box and tell me how many you had correct. Well, this one is not. I did not put a quiz on it. It's the next one. So here you would hit submit assignment. There's a box down here, and let's say you got 4 out of 7 on the Khan Academy. You would just hit 4, hit enter, and you'd come down here and hit submit. I think that's pretty easy. If I go back to the assignments, my assignment page, now you're going to see the quiz, and the quiz is right here on the indefinite pronouns. Now don't take it until you know exactly that you know how to do it, and you're going to take the quiz, and it's going to pop up, and here's question 1, and you choose which word. All of us wanted to go swimming this summer, or every of us wanted to go. I'm pretty sure it's all, and I'm going to type in all, and then I'm going to go through all the questions, and at the end of the test down here, so it says submit quiz. So I'm going to submit the quiz, and after it is submitted, let me move myself up. I submit the quiz. It tells me I didn't answer 7 of them, but that's all right. I'm going to fail the quiz, and the quiz is, and it'll tell you which ones are correct and which ones are wrong when you're done, and I'll have the score. Okay, let's go back to the assignment page. The next one will be possessive, and it does the same thing. If I click on possessive pronouns, here's the video lesson. It's Khan Academy again, and you do the same cycle. You watch the video, you do the practice quizzes, and when you're all done, you can go back to your assignments. And it says take the possessive pronoun quiz, and you'll do the same thing and take the quiz. And that is it. That's how you do the grammar each week. Right now I only have, looks like 3 lessons under the grammar. That's probably standard what I'll do. Sometimes it might be one topic, but the pronoun topic is pretty easy, so I did 2 of them. You can enter them, and you just have to do them by Friday, so find a time you can do it. It won't take you very long. I hope that helps.